person who tricks other people in order to get their parts or services. The enthusiast lost their parts and time to a con artist who told them he was good for it. Okay, Lakeland Motor Club. We've got something for you. This is running job. I pulled off a deal. I lost a toy for another toy, and we're gonna dub this right away KON Artist. And these two gentlemen understand very closely what that means.
This is not the sketchiest loading job I've ever seen or been a part of either. That's the funny thing.
It's YouTube, who cares? Anybody that has paid attention to my videos or is in the Lloydminster Motor Club, Prairie Syndicate Honda Syndicate, sorry, Prairie Honda Syndicate, we're doing everybody a favor. I am now the full rightful owner to this 1992 Acura Integra, an LS VTEC.
Fucking too far forward now.
LS VTEC car. We're just trying to get it loaded. We honestly don't care too much about the car. We're gonna get it cleaned up as to the best of our abilities. The cheapest of our abilities is right. There is some work left.
You know how people have budget builds? And
Yeah.
like eBay's, turbos, and like this is just gonna be like this pocket change build.
So anybody that wants to help out, let me know. By the time you actually see this video, most of this car should be running and driving. If not, well, if you got some assistance, some time, or you want to sponsor the build in some way, shape, or form, let me know. Again, this is KON Artist, and KON Artist, not with a C, with a K. It's better.
That's more level. That's better.
So we're gonna get the car on the trailer, and we're gonna get loaded. We're gonna get it to the shop, get it unloaded at the shop, and we're gonna talk about what the plan is and why I have other people involved in this build.
VTEC, bro.
Why Randy's involved, why Paul's involved, why Chewy's involved.
Oh.
We are, guys, if you are commenting on this video, please do not comment the individual's name. He knows what he's done. Everyone knows what he's done. This is just, he deserves this more than anybody.
No, I think the people, this is
well, the
retribution
people, yeah.
for people.
Redemption, retribution, this is what this is. And we're going to talk about this at the shop.
This is like the ultimate petty move, and I am so for it.
And this was all my idea.
This was all his idea. Oh.
Okay, guys. Well, as you can see, this is now my 1992 Acura Integra GSR. It is going to be a bit of a community-owned thing, so to speak. Time, effort. Like, ownership is kind of just a gratuitous point at this opportunity. What this is, guys, is this is a redemption build. And what I mean by redemption is not my redemption. I mean a community redemption. This is going to be a community-sponsored build as much as we can. Obviously, I know not lots of people can afford to put a ton of money into it. But this particular car has history. I shouldn't say this car has history. The previous owner of this vehicle has a history. As we discussed earlier, it is named KON Artist, and KON with a K. I'm not going to bring up his name, and I'm going to ask, and if I see you comment, I'm going to delete your comment on anything that I possibly can. This individual ripped off a very large portion of the automotive community in the neighboring networks. So I'm not asking for sympathy. I'm not asking for any kind of payout, nothing. But if you have parts that you want to help to build this vehicle, send me a DM, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch. You send me an email to runningjoeor@gmail.com and we can talk. We are going to do everything in our power to make this a drag racing build. We're going to try and do a couple street pulls with it at some point, but there's no guarantee. As you guys saw, we just drilled out the steering column. Why? We don't care. That is legitimately the purpose behind this build, is we don't care. No excuses, no bullshit. That's it, that's all. And if you're watching this video and you know who you are, I don't fucking care. And you know what you did is wrong. And no, I'm not going to sell this back to you.